Tired of navigating your PC in a language you don't understand? Let's fix that and unlock a world of personalized computing. First things first, let's get to the heart of your PC settings. Click the Start button, usually found in the bottom left corner, and then select the Settings gear icon. Once in Settings, look for the Time and Language category on the left-hand side menu. Click on it, and then select Language and Region from the options that appear. Here, you'll see your current display language. To change it, we'll need to add a new one. Click on the Add a Language button. A long list of languages will appear. Scroll through or use the search bar at the top to find the language you want to set as your default for this tutorial. Let's imagine we're choosing Spanish. Once you've found your desired language, click on it, and then click the Next button. You'll see options to install language packs, text-to-speech, handwriting, and speech recognition. Make sure Install Language Pack is checked. Now, click the Install button. Windows will begin downloading and installing the language pack. This might take a minute or two, depending on your internet connection. After the installation is complete, your new language will appear in the list. To make it your primary display language, click the three dots next to it and select Move to Top. This positions your chosen language as the default. You might see a message indicating that you need to sign out for the changes to take full effect. It's important to sign out and then sign back in for the new language to be applied across your entire Windows interface. Click Sign Out now. And there you have it. Your Windows PC or laptop is now set to your preferred language, making your digital experience truly your own. Enjoy your newly customized interface.